Hello and welcome to Universal Tools. My name is Terry. Today we'll be looking at episode number 10 of our tool series videos, focusing on our range of Parrot Beak Cable Cutters. So this is our Parrot Beak Cable Cutter range that we'll be having a closer look at. We've got four sizes of our Parrot Beak Cable Cutters to our range. This one here is our smallest one, suitable for copper and aluminium cable up to 70mm squared. Also got drop forged steel jaws. This is our second one and suitable for copper and aluminium cable again up to 120mm squared. Got replaceable jaws, steel handles and good leverage. This one here is our third option, so going a bit bigger. This can chop up to 300mm squared for copper and aluminium. It's got aluminium handles with rubber grips. This is our fourth option, biggest of the big, designed to cut up to 500mm squared. So got quite long handles for that leverage that you need to chop through the bigger cables. Replaceable jaws if you need them, steel handles with grips. So that's it, folks. The range of our Parrot Beak Cable Cutters, pretty straightforward. If you want to look for them on our website, you can visit www.uttco.com.au or drop our friendly sales team an email on sales@uttco.com.au. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.